young apprentices working inside the city, the apprentice boys of Derry, saw them coming and shouted, "No surrender!" The gates were shut, and the Earl of Antrim realised, "I'm not getting in." So he departed. But the following April, in 1689, James had arrived at the city. He'd arrived in Kinsale with Catholic French allies, made his way up through the island, and was coming to the city again to establish his presence before heading for London. He was refused entry also. It turned into a siege. That siege lasted for 105 days. It started in April 1689 and ended in August 1689. Now, as part of his tactics, James cut off all the supply routes to the city, including, crucially, access by sea. He placed a barricade, a heavy wood and chain barricade, across the river, just about where the modern Foyne Bridge is, a few metres north of it. It was called a boom. That was to stop ships and munitions and relief arriving from London. Now, finally, at the end of August, 3 ships, led by one called the Mountjoy, broke through that barrier. That was known as the breaking of the boom and the relief of Derry. James realised the game's up, and he left. He headed down through Ireland, where he stopped at the River Boyne. William, now on the throne in London, came over to Ireland early in 1690, made his way down through Ireland, where he engaged James in a battle at the River Boyne in July 1690, and we know the outcome.